Imagine you're in a tight spot. Bills are due, and you've got no cash to spare. You've tried all the usual avenues, but nothing seems to work. What do you do? Today, we're going to dive into a topic that many people find themselves facing: how to get instant cash before payday. Part 1: Understanding your options. When you're in a pinch, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry, there are several options available to help you get through this tough time. Let's explore some of the most common ones. Overdraft protection. This is a service offered by many banks. It allows you to make purchases even if you don't have enough funds in your account. However, be aware that there are often fees associated with overdraft protection. Payday loans. These are short-term loans that can be obtained quickly. However, they often come with high interest rates and fees. Cash advance apps. These apps allow you to access a portion of your paycheck before payday. They typically have lower interest rates than payday loans, but there may be fees associated with using them. Pawn shops. If you have valuable items, you can pawn them to obtain cash. However, you'll need to redeem the item to get it back. Part 2: The pros and cons of each option. Now that you're familiar with the different options, let's weigh the pros and cons of each. Overdraft protection. Pros: can help you avoid overdraft fees. Cons: can be expensive if used frequently. Payday loans. Pros: can provide quick access to cash. Cons: high interest rates and fees. Cash advance apps. Pros: lower interest rates than payday loans. Cons: fees associated with using them. Pawn shops. Pros: can provide a significant amount of cash. Cons: you'll need to redeem the item to get it back. Part 3: Tips for responsible borrowing. It's important to borrow responsibly to avoid getting into further financial trouble. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Borrow only what you need. Don't borrow more than you can afford to repay. Compare rates and fees. Shop around to find the best deal. Create a repayment plan. Make sure you have a plan in place to pay back the loan. Consider alternatives. Before borrowing, explore other options such as selling unwanted items or asking a friend or family member for a loan. Part 4: When to seek professional help. If you're struggling to manage your finances, it's important to seek professional help. A financial advisor can help you develop a budget, create a debt repayment plan, and improve your overall financial health. Getting instant cash before payday can be a challenging situation. However, by understanding your options and borrowing responsibly, you can find a solution that works for you. Remember, it's important to seek professional help if you're struggling to manage your finances. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.